Welcome Shemstars. Welcome to the mathematics class. We will continue with lesson 16 mensuration, but today we will do an activity. And the activity is application of graph paper to find area. That is, we will find an approximate area of the region enclosed by a simple closed curve using graph paper. See students, first of all I will take a graph paper. All of you know what is a graph paper. See, this is a graph paper. The square paper you can see here, each square is of 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter length and 1 centimeter breadth. And again this square is again divided into small squares which is of 1 millimeter. The area of one square, this square you see is 1 centimeter square. See, this one square, the area is 1 centimeter square. Now what we will do is, we will draw any plane figure which we want to find out the area. Like you will draw any leaf on a graph paper. See, I have drawn the leaf on a graph paper. Now what I will do is, first step is I will just tick mark on the full circle. See, here it is a Here it is a full square. So I will just tick mark the full square enclosed in this leaf. So I will just tick mark the full squares. See students, here I have just tick mark all the full squares. Now I will make a cross sign on more than half. See, this is more than half. So I will make a cross sign on it. On more than half, I am making a cross sign. On full squares, I have made a tick, and on more than half, wherever I found more than half, I will make a cross sign over there. See, these all are more than half. So I am making a cross sign. Okay, so these are all more than half. This is also more than half. Okay, now I will circle full half. Now first of all I have tick mark full squares. Then I have crossed more than half. Now I will come to the half. Now I will circle all the half squares. See students, now I have circled the half. This one is half. First of all tick one the full squares, cross out more than half, then circle the half one. See, all these are exactly half, so I have circled. Now rest, the remaining are less than half. So I will make a triangle sign on them. See, these are all less than half, so I am making a triangle sign on it. Okay. These are all less than half, so I am making a triangle sign. Okay, now see, all the boxes are filled. I can see some of them are having tick marks, some of them are having cross, and some of them are having triangles. Now I will count everything. I will count number of ticks, I will count number of crosses, I will count number of circles, and I will count number of triangles. Students, here number of full squares, that is number of ticks, were 80. Number of half squares, that is number of circles, they were 8. Number of more than half, that is cross one, I have counted out the cross one, they were 10. Number of less than half, that were triangle, it is also 10. You can leave this also because we are going to ignore this one. Less than half squares, we are going to ignore this one, so no need to count this one. So first of all, what I will do, I will add up all these. How I will add, just see. Number of full squares are 80. Number of half squares are 8. So I will just do half of 8. What I will do is, I will just do half of 8. That is 4. Half of 8 is 4. So I will add here 4. Then number of more than half is 10. So I will add 10. Less than half I will ignore. Now I will add up all this. It is 94. So the area of this leaf, this region is 90 centimeter square. Now student, do this activity. Students, now no need to do exercise 6.2. Just do this activity only. Thank you Shemstars. That's all for the day. You can drop your queries on the Google Classroom.